See you again in a few minutes. Thank you. Well, new cases of COVID-19 are rising at an alarming rate in our region. Philadelphia has turned red on the CDC COVID transmission map. That means the highest level of community spread. There are also hotspots in all of South Jersey and Delaware. Dr. Tony Reed, the chief medical officer at Temple Health, says the summer surge is driven by people who are not vaccinated. The hospital staff is bracing for another onslaught of COVID patients.
There's not a person inside the building who isn't saying, why won't people get vaccinated? What's wrong? What are they not seeing? What are they not hearing? Why are they not helping themselves? We hold the hands of dying patients. That's what's going through our minds.
Dr. Reed also said Philadelphia's new indoor mask mandate should help curb the surge in cases. Well, tonight we're learning the new mandate is causing confusion and even heartbreak. Some are having to make big decisions about their wedding depending on what their venue has decided. Eyewitness News reporter Wakisha Bailey joins us from Rittenhouse Square with that part of the story. Wakisha?
Yeah, good evening, Yuki. So this mask mandate, it's not only frustrating for businesses, but families tell us that the city did not take into consideration children under the age of 12 years old.
It's been a really hard pandemic as a parent.
We first learned of Caitlin Brown, Turner's mother, after she wrote an op-ed piece in response to the city's mask mandate. That, quote, requires masks indoors at all businesses and institutions that do not require vaccination for employees or patrons. There's no mention of children.
Being able to, take your kid outside and run into a business real quick so they can use the bathroom. Kids under 12 can't get vaccinated. Children under 2 can't wear a mask. And I just want some sort of exception.
According to the mayor's office, the Philadelphia Department of Health is meeting tonight to discuss if there will be concessions made for kids under 12 in private events like weddings.
People who are vaccinated, they just can't come to the event.
Remember Stacy Lyons from Attico Rooftop? As of today, her venue is now fully vaxxed only. She began calling brides about the change in Attico's policy. This change impacted one bride's immediate family.
She was very upset. She's not sure if her father is going to be able to come.
Brown can empathize. Her family of 2 will soon become a family of 3 this fall. While it's an exciting time for her and her fiance, she's worried if she's going to have to change the venue for Turner's sake.
The way it's written, he might not be able to attend.
And Yuki, tonight we're learning that the acting health commissioner is expected to give an update tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. And of course, we will carry it live on CBS and Philly. And at that time, we're also hoping to find out what this mask mandate could mean for kids under the age of 12 years old. Reporting from Rittenhouse Square, Wakisha Bailey, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.